Welcome to Cooking Americana, great meals on a budget. Today's meal, chili dog casserole. This is what you'll need. This is what it costs, about $15.82 for 10 servings. So go ahead and cut the hot dogs up. Put them in a bowl, chop up those onions and add the onions to the bowl as well. Throw the chili in there. Now I had some leftover chili from some homemade chili, so I only used 1 can, but you usually use 2. And stir it all up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now pour it right into that bacon dish and spread it around nice and even. Toss some shredded cheese on top. And then top that whole mess with some tater tots. We're going to cook them according to the tater tot package at temperature for that length of time till they get crispy and brown. Put some more cheese on top. Toss it right back in that oven and melt that cheese. And that's all there is to it. Your chili dog casserole. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today for this. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and y'all have a blessed day.